of pregnancy.
Yeah.
The key signs of healthy pregnancy, whether the person's heading into a healthy pregnancy, and the symptoms which come with it, bringing in the physical changes and how to deal with them.
Right. Yeah. So the commonest sign of a pregnancy is, of course, missing the period. That's the most common. Though rarely we can have cases where the menstrual period continues as it is every month. That is quite rarely, but it can still happen that the woman has a period, yet she is pregnant. The second commonest thing which comes up is feeling tired or fatigability. And it's basically because of the hormonal changes that is happening.
Right.
The levels of progesterone hormone increase and that give that tiredness. And of course, the entire body is now gearing up towards another function, of the body. So tiredness is very common. Then as the hormonal levels rise in the body, certain other parts of the body which are associated with the reproductive system, like the breast, so there may be breast tingling or tenderness, that can start early in the pregnancy. And then in many, you can start getting nausea or actual vomiting. So this is all kind of dependent on the pregnancy hormone levels. Also depends on the, kind of state of mind of the pregnant woman, how much she has planned the pregnancy, or is it sudden? Is there any stress? So the amount of nausea, vomiting sometimes, the severity would depend on that. If it's a planned pregnancy, you're very relaxed, then the chances of the nausea, vomiting may be bit less.
Yeah, last time you said that, and to me also it was like such an eye-opener that nausea is rejecting the food like in your body. It's the same way.
Yeah, so it's protected.
Yeah.
It is protected as well as on an emotional level also I can signal that rejection. And so these are the common ones. The lesser frequent are increased frequency in urination. Okay, so you feel like going to the bathroom more frequently, also because of progesterone hormone, that it's like a diuretic hormone, so that causes that. And of course, as the pregnancy goes, also there may be little pressure on the urinary bladder, so that also can cause the increased frequency. Very rarely there may be like crampy pain, which is similar to a menstrual pain, which is would not be a very good sign. But that can happen, and it always need not be alarming. It may be, a part of a normal pregnancy as well.
Okay.
And
But should be taken care with the immediate
Yes.
medical attention, right?
definitely,
Should be considered like a red flag.
definitely.
Okay.
And maybe alteration in the discharge, because now the hormones of pregnancy, which are estrogen and progesterone, both are increasing. So the kind of vaginal discharge also may change.
Right.
So these are the few things which can, make the women believe that she may be pregnant. Of course, we would confirm by doing a urine pregnancy test, which is the most common thing. And also it can be tested in blood, where, you do the beta HCG level in blood. So these are the earliest signs that the woman would feel. And then when she visits a doctor, of course, other the examination findings and all will kind of confirm that yes, you are pregnant.